These are the tools we may use. First, measure the short sleeve to match the power cord on the pump end. Ensure it is at least 4 inches longer than the sleeve. Next, cut the power cord at the pump end. Slide the sleeve over the cord. Open the black box and take out the 2 heat shrink tubes. Place 1 heat shrink tube over the sleeve, ensuring it covers the rubber tube completely. Trim the cord to make it about 3 inches longer than the sleeve. Strip approximately 1.5 inches of the outer insulation from the cord. Then strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from the wires inside. Slide the second heat shrink tube over the cord. Use a heat gun to shrink the tube, securing the sleeve in place. Next, take the waterproof connector from the black box. Unscrew the end that does not connect to the cord and place it on the pump's power cord. Connect the stripped wires to the 3-pin terminal as follows: white wire to blue, green wire to yellow, black wire to red. Ensure all wires are connected tightly. Then, securely screw the waterproof connector. Adjust the second heat shrink tube to cover both the cord and the stainless steel sleeve. Use a heat gun to shrink the tube, securing the sleeve. Finally, place the waterproof connector back into the black box. This completes the process of connecting the power cord with an anti-bite stainless steel sleeve to the pump. Thank you for watching.